the carbon panel is under the mirroring. There is the carbon. And it's better to make a individual panel for it, so this panel can be mounted on the milling machine, and many hoses can be milled out, and also the wording can be engraved there. You see here. The control box, here is the control box. I managed to put all the stuff there, and some part not yet received. This is the CNC control board. This is the master card, and it's still not arrived. This control box is going to be 5 axis. These two are the, one is the X axis, one is the Z axis. This is the Y axis, and two small stepper controller is B and C axis. And this VFD spindle for the spindle, and this is a big transformer, toroidal transformer. This capacitor, and this all stuff are purchased from China, and it's not very expensive, and the quality of this transformer looks very good, and it costs not more than $20 US. This is, I don't remember, is about 500 VA to 600, I don't remember. It's almost 600 VA or 600 watt. And also this is not very expensive. I'm going to make a PC board assembly here for the power. And these are contacts, these are relays, and this is the connector, this is the fuse holder, and I make the separate switch here, so there will be 3 types of power lines. These are AC 15 5V. Actually, I can bring it out and you can be seen here. This is 500 watt voltage and 3 types of output. and the highest one is for driving the large high-pitch motor, stepper motor, and the middle one is for this, and the lowest one is for this, and also for I will use some DC to DC voltage converter. This I will put them someplace here for step down to from 24 watt or something 13 watt DC to 5 volt or 12 volt. 12 volt will be used for the relay, or maybe yes, 12 volt. And those type of DC voltage line will be passed through this switch, and I can manually turn off it if there is some problem or for testing. It's easy to make this. This is aluminum sheet and screw mount on this gray color plastic pieces. Actually are this stuff. And I bring out the original screw and mount the longer screw there. And the connection is here. And there is a wire holder here. The space is really not enough. I hope I can route all the wires through them. And this control block or carbons is this tab. This is the horizontal one, not the vertical one. This is not a very good. You see there is frame here, and it is not easy to put some stuff for the bottom plate on this wall near the wall area, because I cannot find the suitable horizontal tab carbons, and I just buy this one. And the control card will be here, and it needs computer to run it. I didn't yet make decisions which type of computer to be used. For some mini tab, just a palm size one mini computer, then I will find the place here or something here or here. And there is a big exhaust fan, and I'm going to mount it here. And there is a main switch here on the front of this door, and those things are not yet received. And here is the line filter. It's too big. It's 20 ampere. Actually, I just need 10 ampere. 10 is just for use of this VFD converter. I'll put it somewhere here. And they're using this this contact, and there is a holding circuit for putting power to these utilities, and the circuits will be actually is mentioned on the internet in other videos for from other peoples. I will not mention it again here. And the machine dust panel will be put here, and I will cut a rectangular hole here. And here are some connector passes. This one for the X and Z axis, XY Z axis, and this smaller one will be used for B and C axis. And there is power sources output 2, and for the signals of the stepper driver, I will use this connector, and the pendulum will use this. And I'm going to have the air input and output, and I will buy a magnetic air valve, and this is the LAN wire socket or connector socket. That's all. Thank you for your watching, and hope you can subscribe and thumb up